Good morning. Now it's currently 10:42 a.m. and I just woke up. So I had a very long sleep, guys. Started from 1 a.m. until 10:42. So how long was that? But yeah, anyways, for the update, I haven't been updated since the last 3 days ago because of, quite busy. So yeah, 3 days ago, what did I do? I can't even remember. But anyway, I have a very busy day for the past 3 days, and hindi pa ako nakapaglaba. So I really have to wash my clothes kasi nga the uniform is good for 1 week, and it's been 5 days already na hindi ako nakapaglaba. What date today? It's now December 9. So yeah, we have practice like last night, dance practice, and we have very short 2 weeks. So we have 2 weeks of practice for our performance. This is just for the entertainment only. It's not entertainment, and at the same time, parang na din siya, parang competitions, parang ganun. So we're gonna be ended up 3 lang kami nasasayaw. It's because of our other members was not able to practice. So, and I think they are, most of them are shy to dance. So yeah, my first dance here was 2017. So that's the only Christmas that I spent here na medyo masaya pa. And yeah, we have I see parang siya, guys, solicitation kahapon. So for this Christmas, ayun, solicit sila for our Christmas. And ano pa ba? Hindi ako napag-update. Started 27. Ayun. So what else? Yeah, so I will have a coffee and just chill for a moment. Maybe I will wash some of my clothes. A quick one. But yeah, hulog muna ako ng peso coin para makapag-wifi ako because my data was very, very slow. So hopefully yung signal ng wifi is good.
Ano ba yung asin? Bakit asin niya na yung asin na pinaputan ko?
So, good morning. And guys, aga pa ako. And basa pa yung buhok ko. So, I have to dry it a little. So, I just arrived from work. Medyo basa pa rin yung buhok ko, guys. And basa pa rin siya kasi nakapusod siya for how many hours? For more than 5 hours. So, yeah, dito na din ako magla-lunch. I have here, ito yung ulam ko. Ano to siya? Meron siyang sabaw, tapos, baboy. And then, I have here one rice. Kaya medyo masama yung pakaramdam ko, guys. Alam niyo yun, parang mahilab yung tiyan. It's because of coffee kanina. So, nagkape ako 2 beses lang. Pero, sunod-sunod. Tapos, nasa malaki pang baso. So, ayun, parang mahilab. Hindi ko alam. I think it's acid siguro. Pero kung acid yun, or kung acid to, twice ko na na-experience na nagkaroon ng acid since I started to work here. But anyways, ayun, ito yung magiging lunch ko, and water na lang for today. Kakalating ko lang. Ayun, medyo pinagpapawisan ako because doon ako galing, ako ng wifi, peso wifi, kasi nga, para magkaroon ako ng magla-live ako, kasi yun din naman yung plano ko for today. And then, ayan, excited na ako sa day off ko. So, tomorrow, anyways, maglalaba nga pala ako ngayon after ko mag-lunch. Because mekos ko lang yung mga labahan ko. Kasi sobrang dami na, guys. Ngayon, violet yung uniform. So, yung violet na uniform, that means, meron ako doong maduming isa. That means, a week na din na hindi pa ako nakapaglaba. So, ayun. Bali, maglalaba-laba na ako. And, ibabad ko lang muna ng saglit. Kasi meron pa akong binila doon na, isang clothes na nilabhan ko kanina. So, yeah. So, let's eat. Siguro, i-open ko na lang yung live ko para direkta na lang makapag-usap sa inyo. Okay. So, kain na tayo mga dyan. Dito lang ako upo. Dahil tayo lang naman dito sa kukuha mo ng kutsara. Alright, so dito lang tayo. So I was not able to take or to make a live stream kasi mahina, guys, yung internet connection. Ayan, dahil akong spawn. Siguro direkta na lang, no? Dito na lang. 1 cup of rice na ito. Saan tayong isda? Ay, isda. Ay! Ay! Ano ba yan? Uwa? Okay, try natin. Masarap to kasi medyo siya mabuto. Mas kain buto. Taran! Sarap sana yung sabaw eh. So, ayun na nga guys. I just done laundry. And, ayun. So, medyo okay na yung, yung isipan. Compared kanina. Kasi, ang dami-dami kong labahin. It's been a week na the last time na naglaba ako. So, ayun. Medyo malinis na siya. Charot. Wala nang mga damit guys kasi inubos ko na. Except na lang dito sa aking blanket and sa aking bedsheet. So, bedsheet and blanket. Tapos yung pillowcase na lang tomorrow. Tapos lilinisin ko din tong small na fan ko. Kasi ang tagal na nito. The last time na nalinis. So, ayun. Update ko kayo guys sa susunod. So, ayun lamang for today's. And, kaya, medyo maganda na yung isip natin.